Yeah, fine, guys. So, our topic is quarrel with your husband who is not letting you go to your mother's home. It means कि wife wants to go to her mother's home, but husband doesn't want her to go. Husband doesn't allow. इस पर एक quarreling conversation है, एक role play type है. तो how we are going to do? Husband ऑफिस से घर वापस आते हैं थके हुए. Husband comes back to his home from office being so much tired, laden with so much vegetables and all. And when he comes back home, then wife starts talking, and after that she starts telling about कि मैं जाना चाहती हूँ अपने माँ के घर. Then he has to get angry, and then quarreling conversation has to take place. This is all is to be done.
Okay.
So Jahangir, you are going to play the character of the husband, and Shweta, you are going to play the character of a
Yes, sir.
wife. Okay, fair enough. So when I say action, Jahangir, you have to knock the door, and you belong to a middle class family, Jahangir. ठीक है?
ओके सर.
मिडिल क्लास है, ताकि श्वेता ब्लेम भी कर सकती कि तू ऐसा बत्ती, तू कभी साड़ी दिलाई मुझे, ऐसा ब्लेम भी कर सकती है. फाइन.
डोंट हैव मनी.
या तो चलिए 3 2 1 एक्शन.
नॉक नॉक.
Oh, Jangir, have you come? Please come. Can you drop me my mother's house? I want to go. I have to do some shopping. So please drop me. My mother is waiting for me.
What? Have you gone nuts? I have just come back from office, and you should have asked me some cup of tea or a glass of water. Instead of you are asking me to drop your mother's home.
Excuse me. You don't talk to like me like this. I have to go to my mother. I'm not your slave. Go and make your tea yourself.
Why do I do? You have
Why
to do
do
it for me.
Why do I do? I have asked same question. You didn't do
Sorry, ma'am, don't get
like
serious.
नहीं नहीं, सीरियस हो जाओ,
no,
हो
no,
जाओ.
no, no,
चाहिए
no.
चाहिए चाहिए
Sir, sir.
गेट सीरियस. बहुत अच्छा
No,
श्वेता,
I
अब
mean-
सही जा रही है. अभी वाइफ वाली फीलिंग आ रही है. बहुत अच्छा. गो अहेड.
Okay, okay.
You don't say like this. Go and make your tea yourself and myself also. Go.
Who runs the house? Tell me one thing. Who runs the house?
You. Not
Then?
me. Then
What should I
go.
do? Oh, should I do all the things?
Who said that only lady can make tea, not husband? You are not looking tired. I think you enjoyed your job very much. So go. You are looking fresh. Go and make tea for me. I'm going to get ready.
Okay, do one thing. Go and make money, and I will run the house. I will do all the household
Okay.
work, and go you and you make money yourself. Okay, I'm
Oh.
staying at home.
Okay. First, you return my money which my father has given you. Return my money.
When he has given me.
When we were getting married during
He had-
our marriage ceremony, you have to return because my father show you did very good job. That's why my father gave my hand to you. So I don't have required to earn money. My father and mother has lots of money. I can spend there. If you want to give me money,
See.
give me. Otherwise, but just drop me my mother's house.
See, there is one thing that you are having misconception or conflict that your father didn't give me any single rupees because he showed me the check of that he was about to give me, but he didn't give me. He just shown. He just he just show me.
Showed me.
Yeah, he
showed,
just
showed me.
he just showed me, but he didn't give me.
Listen, I don't want to any argue with you. Come,
But you are going.
Drop my father's house and go and discuss with them or make tea for me.
Okay, if you can do anything, if you can make your decision with yourself, so you can go your mother's home on your own. I'm not going to do anything for you.
No, you should drop me because it's getting dark.
Who am I to
so
you?
I
No,
can't
who-
go.
Who
You're
am I
my
to you?
husband. You are my husband.
Then you should listen
have
to me.
right.
Then you should. If I am your husband, then you should listen to me. You are not listening to me. Why do you do such things?
Okay, I'm not going to my mother's house, but I will not make anything. I will not clean my house. I will not do anything here.
I think that you should.
You-
I think you are not considering your my house as your house. You are not considering my property as your property, as you are not considering your husband as your husband. Then what is there to live together?
Okay, I will not go to my mother's house, but you will take me daily in restaurant. We will eat food outside. I can't make any food because you didn't take me for shopping. You didn't take me any restaurant after marriage. So I will not make anything. If you promise me that you will take me daily in restaurant, I will not go to my mother's house. Tell me.
I can do all the things whatever you have mentioned that, but before that you have to do one thing. Firstly, you have to make your call. You have to make call to your father and then tell to your father that give me all his property and give it to me. Then I can do all the things. I can bear
See.
your all expense and I can let you go to shopping every day.
Oh, see that you said that my father didn't have give you any money, and now listen, what did you say? You want money, more money to spend me. So don't worry,
Exactly.
I will spend my father's money with me. I
On
don't
me, on
require
me.
your on me. I don't require your money, but you promised me that you will take me daily in the restaurant.
As you are not understanding me, my situation, my circumstances, that I have been gone through such condition that I'm hardly run my house, and I'm bearing your expenses. That is very costly, where that is very expensive. Like you often go to beauty parlor and there you spend a lot of money.
Who cares? We don't have to save. How much money did you save? Tell me.
Because you are not trying to save the money, that's why I don't have capital. You have to do it
Listen,
because you are the householder, so you have to think about it, not me, I
listen.
mean.
I am going to get ready. Either you drop me my mother's house or you will take me restaurant. Your decision. Tell me fast. I'm not waiting so long.
I'm not going to do anything. If you are making the decision for yourself, then you can do anything. I'm not
Then
going to
book
do
me a
anything.
cab for me.
Why should I do? If you can make decision on your own, then you can do it. You can book your
Because
vehicle on your own.
because you didn't give me a good mobile. It's not a smartphone. I can't book my book
As you
cab.
are
I
holding a
give
mobile, it's an iPhone.
because I gave you this mobile that's which you used. So this is my mobile. You should book the cab for me.
No, as you are holding a mobile which is in your hand, it's an iPhone. You can do anything. It's very expensive for me, and
This is
you can't understand.
second hand phone,
At least
not
you have, and look at my mobile. It's like keypad mobile. How could I do that? I have been tolerating you, but you are not understanding me. You don't know when will you get sir mind. मतलब कब तुम्हें इतना ख्याल आएगा?
क्या बोला? क्या?
okay. Listen. I can understand. Listen. Do one thing. You will drop me my mother's house for 1 month, and you save your money. Then we will spend a lot. Okay. And you buy good mobile for you also.
Okay, if I'm going to do such things, and if you are going to your mother's house, then you go, and I will never let you come in my house. If you go right now,
No, now you go from my house. I will not enter
this
you
is
my
my
house. No,
this
this
is
is
my
my
house.
house. This is also my
Who said
house.
it?
You
Show me any evidence that proves you that this is your
yes,
house.
I have marriage certificate. What are you saying? I have
So that's
marriage
called
certificate,
that's
and
called
that's called.
that indicates that we have in relationship, any kind of relationship, that doesn't prove that this is your property.
This is my property. Government gives me right that I have right property. I have right 50% of my husband property. So this is also my
So
property,
as
and
as
so
I am alive, as I am alive, that you can do until I am alive. Okay, so you have to live with me. Either you have to live with me, or you can go your mother's house.
this is too much. I'm going to pack my stuff and I never come back in this house. Thank you. Bye.
वाह वाह, लवली लवली, बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ, ये था. इट वाज समथिंग लाइक कि हाँ कुछ तो हुआ. वेरी गुड.
Thank you, sir.
ठीक है, तो ये वीडियो तो मैं बस आज अभी यही वीडियो में डालने जा रहा हूँ ताकि आप इसको देखें. बहुत बेहतरीन है. आई एम गोइंग टू स्टॉप द रिकॉर्डिंग. वेट.